What is your name?
Lionel.
Is that your full name?
My full name.
Do you have any nicknames?
No, I
Aww. What position do you play?
don't. I play goalie.
Do you like playing there?
I like playing
Do you
goalie.
take many shots from there?
I don't take shots at all.
Do you play any other positions?
No, I don't.
Where are you from?
From Jamaica.
Is that where your family is from too?
We're all from Jamaica.
Do you still live there?
I go there
Do
occasionally.
you get to see them often?
I see them
Do
often.
they ever come to watch you play?
They come to watch me
Do
play.
you play a lot of soccer growing up in this native local or in Jamaica?
Yeah, I play all the time.
Did your family come to watch you?
They come to watch
Did you
me.
play for a club team there?
I play for a club team there.
Did you play professionally there?
No,
Are you right footed or left footed?
I'm right-footed.
Do you make most of your shots with your that foot?
I shoot with my right all the time.
Are you good with your other foot too?
I'm good with both.
Have you ever scored with your other foot?
I have only scored with my right foot.
Are there any other soccer players you enjoy watching?
I enjoy watching Ronaldo.
Have you modeled any of your game after these players?
I've modeled my game after a few goalkeepers, yeah.
Do you play any sports besides soccer?
I play basketball for fun.
Okay. Are you good?
I'm good.
What are you better at, soccer or basketball?
I play soccer because I'm better at it than anything else.
Do you enjoy watching the sport too?
I enjoy watching soccer all the time.
What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is Jamaican food.
Can you make it?
I can make it.
Can you tell me how to make it?
I can tell you how to make
Do you
it.
season it?
I can season
Do
it.
you serve it with anything?
I can serve with everything.
Do you have any hobbies?
I have a lot of hobbies.
What are some?
I play several different sports. I love fishing. I do a lot of different things.
Are you better at than soccer?
I'm not better at anything, but
Do you
soccer.
enjoy that than more than soccer?
I enjoy my hobby, but not more than soccer.